Hello there, I am Monica with the Howard County Library System. I'm here at the Glenwood branch in the nonfiction section, and I wanted to show you some books that I pulled for summer reading for our 4th and 5th graders.
Yes, indeed, it's time for 5 books in 5 minutes.
So first up, I have 2 books actually. Are you a fan of the Titanic? Are you always wanting to know about the mystery of the Titanic? Maybe you went on a cruise this summer or past year and you just were really fascinated with the story of the Titanic and what went wrong with that big ship. So I have 2 books that you might be interested in. I have History Smashers by Kate Messner, and I have What Was the Titanic by Stephanie Sobel. So both of these books were excellent. They were filled with facts, lots of knowledge for you. Also just lots of things that I actually didn't know about the Titanic, which was really cool. Both of these books come from excellent series that you might enjoy. So hope you'll pick these up at your local library today or this week. Thank you. So if you're feeling bored this summer and you like to cook or bake or go into the kitchen and explore science, I highly recommend our next book, which is Scrumptious Cookies with a Side of Science by M.M. Ibach. And this book's recipes look so delicious. Let me show you the one that I'm gonna try later at home. The lemon frosted sour cream cookies. If you haven't tried adding sour cream to your cookies and recipes, it actually tastes really good in cookies and recipes. So if you're, like I said, if you're just feeling a little bored, you wanna try out some new recipes, I highly recommend this book. Also, it gives you lots of little science tips you'll be learning as well as you bake. So I hope you'll bake some delicious cookies this summer. So for another great read, I have Upcycled Plastic Projects by Marcy Moron and Heidi Thompson. So if you're looking for something fun to do at home and you just have some recycling and some plastic and you want to do a little better for our earth and make something out of that plastic versus just recycling it, this would be a great book for you. It's got some really cool projects. It's got a pencil holder project, a bird feeder project that I really liked, as well as a really cool tic-tac-toe game. So if you visited Glenwood and you've gone to our Builder's Barn in our maker space and you were looking for some projects that you could do at home and you wanted to bring a book home, I highly recommend Upcycled Plastic Projects. So hope you'll make one of those soon and check out our wonderful DIY section of books. Have you ever tried origami? It's amazing what you can make with one single piece of paper and a lot of folds. So if you're into origami or you just want to try it for the first time, I highly recommend one of our library books, Origami Explosion, Scorpions, Whales, Boxes, and More by Christopher Harbaugh. So this has a ton of really cool projects. I really liked this book as well as our other origami books for something fun to do in the summer. This particular book had some really cool projects. It had a really neat, intricate folded flower and a whale that I want to try. So it also has like patterns, and in the beginning of the book, I really liked the way it showed you the different folds and different methods of origami. It explained it in simple, great terms for you. So I hope you check out this book at the library this summer.